Guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Lumiere Hair 613 silky straight hair. The hair is actually 13 by 4 lace frontal wig, and this is what the packaging looks like. The packaging comes with 3 bending rollers. It comes with an accessory which I'll show you guys in a bit, and it also comes with an instruction of how to take care of your hair. And this is what the hair looks like straight from the box. The hair comes with 3 combs at the front, 1 comb at the back, and it also have an elastic strap as well. The knot has been bleached and the hair has also been plucked straight from the box, so everything has been done for you guys. So these are the colors that I used in this video, guys. So for the roots of the hair, I applied the Tresemme conditioner into the Adore Titanium hair color. I make sure it was really light, so I used that as the root. I applied that on the hair as the roots. So the next thing that I did was to apply the color that I showed you guys earlier. In regards to that color, the color is meant to change or transform into another color, which was I was supposed to add to the hair while the hair is dry, not wet. So that was the error on my side because I didn't read the instruction before applying the color to the hair. But I actually had 3 colors which I showed you guys earlier. The first color was actually from orange to yellow. That is, I'll apply the color on when I apply the orange color to the hair. When the and there is I apply it on the hair, like maybe probably hair straightener or hair dryer or whenever it touches the hair while the color is on, the color is going to change to yellow. So this orange that I'm applying right now, if I actually blow dry the hair or tongue the hair, this orange color is going to change to yellow. And the next color is purple. If I apply it to that purple color that I'm going to apply next, then the purple color would switch to pink. And the next one is the third color, which also would change to pink when it gets on the hair. But unfortunately, I didn't read the instruction before applying it. I was not meant to apply it wet, but I did. But what happened is the fact that I actually got the result before applying it because I washed the hair with hot water, so the hair just turned to the right color already. Like this red that I'm applying now was supposed to change to pink when I apply air dryer or any heat to the hair. But because I washed the hair with very hot water, then the process happened and the hair changed to pink already without any hair straightener or whatever. So that's the tea about the color. So next time I promise to read the instruction before applying the color. But guys, the good news is that I actually got the result that I was going for, because the areas that was supposed to turn pink turns to pink, the areas that was supposed to turn to yellow turned to yellow, but without applying any hair straightener or anything whatsoever. So I still achieved the right color anyway. So next I applied my gold old glue on the hair and on my forehead, and actually applied like 2-3 layers because I was going to wear this hair for a long time because I was feeling the neon color. As you guys may know, in UK right now, neon is the main thing going on right now, so everyone is going neonish. So I was quite pleased with the result of the hair anyway, even though there was an error about the processing, but I still got the end result anyway, which is the main point of the color though. But yeah, so I applied my scarf on the hair and I pressed it down just to make sure that the hair is well laid, and I took off the scarf and cut off the excess lace. Guys, this hair is amazing, guys, amazing. The knot has been bleached, the lace has been pre-plucked, everything has been done basically for you straight from the box, so you don't have to worry at all. I think this hair is actually beginner friendly in my opinion, so if you're new to wearing blonde hair and you don't really know how to go about installing it, then this would definitely be for you, because when you cut off the lace, you can use the elastic strap at the back of the hair to secure the hair if you like. But if you're the type that you always want to wear your wig for days like me, because obviously I always like to wear any wig that I review for you guys for like days, so that I'll be able to, you know, have more information about the hair for you while I'm doing this voiceover. So yeah, so you can use glue, but if not, you can just use the elastic strap at the back of the hair. So voila, I called the hair, and this is the first result. I am feeling myself. Guys, I'm feeling myself. I love this hair color really, apart from the fact that I didn't wait for the magic to happen. I just did the magic myself, so the result was exactly what I envisioned. So I'm quite pleased with it anyway, but next time I'll read the instruction, and as I apply it to it now, it was supposed to give me this particular color which I already have. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with it. And I just decided to curl the hair for you guys. The hair took to curls really well. Look at that. I decided not to go for, you know, tiny curls or voluminous curl, because I'm not always in the mood for that. Excuse me. Always. So yeah, I quite like the fact that it took the curls really well. You don't have to, you know, keep going in and in, because this is the kind of straight hair that you can style anyhow you like. You can use your wand on it, you can use your hair straightener to curl it, you can use any you know, tool you have to curl the hair. Look at that. I am loving it. As you guys can tell already, the yellow turned yellow and the pink turned pink. So yeah, I got the result. I'm happy. I love the hair. I love the texture of the hair. I love the, you know, how simple, and you know, I just love how simple the hair is. It's not too big and not too thin, and there was no shedding whatsoever. So stick around for the review. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Lumiere hair right here. The hair is actually 613 straight from the box, and it's silky straight. I decided to, you know, curl the hair and throw in some curls in the hair just to show you guys how well the hair curls. I'm just quickly going to go ahead and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So first thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that the hair was really soft to touch, like seriously soft. I quite like the fact that the hair was silky straight, you know, from the box. So if you're the type that like to wear your hair straight from the box, then the hair is, that's definitely an option for you. You don't need to straighten it or coil it straight from the box. It was silky straight. So if you want to wear your hair like blonde the way it came straight from the box, you can as well do that as well, because it's actually platinum blonde straight from the box. But I just decided to, you know, add some color to it, and yeah, that's what I did so far. But apart from that, you can wear the hair you can wear the hair color straight from the box. If you're the type that you need to go for that platinum blonde, you know, hair, then you can as well you wear the hair straight from the box the way it came straight from the box, without having to color it or tongue it whatsoever. So that's also an option for you. Another thing I like about the hair is the fact that the hair was actually true to length, in my opinion. True to length. It's actually in 18 inches, and it's up to here, right here, if you know, pull it down when it's straight. Another thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that the hair took to curls really well. As you can tell, I went for a, you know, beach wave kind of look, which I'm quite feeling right now. I don't want that crazy curl today. I just want something really simple, and I'm quite loving it at the same time. So yeah, the hair took to curls really well. And I also like the fact that the hairline has also been pre-plucked straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about plucking your hair whatsoever. So that's also a good thing about the hair that I really like. So the most important thing that I noticed about the hair straight from the box is the fact that the hair is silky straight from the box. The knot has also been bleached straight from the box. The baby hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box. So those three things are the things that I noticed straight from the box. So you don't have to worry about them at all if you're going for this hair. Another thing I like about the hair is the fact that the hair is also true to length. It's in 18 inches and it got up to here for me. So if you're going for a platinum blonde look, you don't have to color the hair or anything. You can wear the hair the way it is straight from the box. But if you're going to color your hair, feel free to do so, because the hair took to curls really well. Even though I actually misuse the color. I still like the fact that the hair came out, you know, with a beautiful color that I'm quite loving at the moment. I really like it a lot. The hair took to the color really well, despite the fact that I didn't use the color the way I was supposed to use it. I still like the fact that the hair took to the, you know, color really well. In regards to the vendor, their shipping was really quick. It took about 4 days to get here in the UK. So depending on where you're based, but for me here in the UK, it took about 4 days to get here. And also, if you don't know Lumiere Hair, this is my second time working with them. The thing I noticed about their hair is the fact that the quality of their hair is really good, and I quite like the fact that there have been no shedding, no tangling whatsoever throughout the styling process of the hair. Even when I added the color to the hair and washed the hair, there was no shedding whatsoever. And as you can tell, the hair is silky straight, you know, there's no shedding and there's no tangling or matting whatsoever throughout, you know, the styling of the hair. And it's also took to curl really well. So depending on what look you're going for and what length you're going for, so if you're the type that like your hair really full, you might as well go for, you know, a bigger density. But for me, I just like my, you know, blonde hair really nice and simple, which is the look that I have got right now. So depending on what look you're going for, if you want it a little bit bigger, then you can go for the higher density hair. But if you want it, you know, very simple and natural, then you can stick to the 130 density, in my opinion. That full big hair don't care kind of thing, then you can go for the higher density. But right now, I think this is about 130, 150 in my opinion. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one.